Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, today we are going to learn about the concept of Martin Luther about the print culture. Dear students, you know that print culture started from China and it revolutionized the whole world with a new concept of writing. Before print culture, the tradition was of the manuscripts. After the introduction of printing press in China, it got a it got an exposure, and we can say rather it got a tremendous change in the field of art and literature. Martin Luther, as you know, my dear students, was one of the great scholar, philosopher, and the revolutionary personality who have contributed a lot in the field of literature and in the field of this philosophy, in the field of this development of education. Dear students, he was of the revolutionary concept person. According to him, the print culture brought a tremendous change in the economy, in the education, in the religion, and to spread the inner voices of the world-renowned personalities. It became possible only with the help of this print culture. Martin Luther was in favor of print and spoke out in praise of it, as he was deeply grateful to print. He considered the print as the ultimate gift of Allah, God. He thought that it was through print culture that the people could be persuaded to think differently and move to action. In 1517, he wrote the 95 Theses. Among these theses, he criticized the practices and rituals of Roman Catholic Church. As you know, these Christians have two schools of thought. One is the Roman Catholic Church and another is the Protestants. And he criticized the Roman Catholic Church through various these theses which he practiced, which he wrote. These writings were immediately reproduced in vast numbers by the people. They read these books, these ideas, and got the boost. It became only possible through this print culture. This led to the division within church and to the beginning of Protestant Reformation, as I already told you. His translation of the New Testament or the Acts was also accepted and read by thousands of the people. This was only possible due to the improvement in print technology. According to Martin Luther, it was possible only to spread the inner feelings to spread the ideas of technology, the ideas of development, the ideas of history, geography, and other subjects. When we would print something and the same be published and same be forwarded to other people so that they will learn it and will think about the said publishment. So Martin Luther gave a strong support to the advancement of print culture so that the world will improve, world will progress, world will inherit the real crux of philosophy, politics, religion, and the trade. So Martin Luther played a vital role in the process of this printing press or print culture. As I told you, my dear students, that the print culture first of all started in China and later proceed to different parts of the world step by step by different these philosophers, by different sellers, by different these different people who were fond of literature, art, and this print. So, as I yesterday told you, as Marco Polo spent nearly a decade in China to learn the this print culture, to learn the print, and later on he went to his own homeland, to his continent, to his nation, and spread the print culture to there, and the whole continent of Europe, the Western world, took the advantage of print and developed a lot in every field. Similarly, Martin Luther also took the advantage of the print culture and he supported it strongly and spread the printing ideas. He himself printed 77 these documents, theses, and spread them and distribute them and introduce them in his nation. And similarly, there was improvement, there was this progress in the field of printing culture. So, dear students, we can say that Martin Luther also tried hard, worked hard to spread the printing ideas and to introduce the printing culture in the nation as the Marco Polo did. So, dear students, this was all about today's this lesson. Let us go ahead, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you very much.